Hello friends, welcome to my channel Geet Manchanda Food Villa. Today I am going to make cheese chili with very simple ingredients. So let's begin. For this we need 400 grams of paneer. We will cut them into square or cube pieces. It's up to you what shape you want. Now spread the cornstarch on paneer. It will make our paneer soft as well as crunchy after we deep fry them. We will take empty bowl and put 2 tablespoons of corn flour into it. Now we will add a water and make a smooth paste. Paste shouldn't be very thick or very runny, but the consistency of the batter should be like that. In this paste we will add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and we will mix it well. Now I'll take the paneer pieces and put it in the paste. One by one we will coat the piece of paneer into the paste and put it in the hot oil and keep the oil in the medium flame. We have to cook them in a slow flame. We don't need to cook them properly, but we need its golden color. As you can see, our paneer is ready now. It's time to make gravy. I'm taking a pan with 4 to 5 tablespoons of refined oil into it. Now I'm going to add 10 cloves of chopped garlic and also going to put 2-inch chopped ginger and 2 green chilies into it. And I'm going to stir it continuously. After a minute I will put 1 bowl of spring onions and mix it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, at this stage we will add 1 diced capsicum and also 1 diced onion. We don't need to cook them properly because we need its crunchiness maintained. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce as well. Instead of tomato sauce you can also put sugar into it. At the same stage I am going to add half teaspoon of white pepper powder and half tablespoon of salt. You can add salt according to your taste. And adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar into it. Adding a 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. After stirring it for a minute, what I am going to do is adding half cup of water and half teaspoon of cornstarch into the same bowl, and after mixing them put into a gravy. If you want more gravy you can add more water into it. After stirring it for 2 minutes, it's time to put the paneer pieces into the gravy. After keeping it for 5 minutes, it's ready to eat now.